Yo, what's up? I'm Coach RT3 and this is Nata What, and we're the Upgrade Guys. So today we're going to focus on hip extension. One of the things about training, or one of the positions you can set up for to train hip extension, is kind of this split kneeling position. You can place something underneath your knee if it's uncomfortable, and then you're going to vary the height here depending on how much knee flexion you might be able to have and how sensitive you are for this position. So in Nat's case, he has a great deal of knee flexion, so he's able to sit here comfortably in this position. But you may need a lower level for yourself. Take that into account as you set up. Once we're here, what we want to do is we want to find a line of tissue that we can train along the front of the hip. Okay, so one of the things that we can do, oftentimes people want to like move forward and back to kind of like, you know, find that stretch. But what we can do is we can focus on the pelvis instead and just change the position of our pelvis. So we can scoop the belt buckle up towards the face, see how that feels, and then we can take the belt buckle and point it down towards the floor, see how that changes things. So if we scoop the belt buckle up towards the face, we're actually putting that tissue along the length of the hip at length, okay? Once we've got it there at length, we're going to spend 2 minutes just breathing into that position, allowing our nervous system to kind of calm down, allowing those tissues to become comfortable there. After we've become comfortable there, for 2 minutes, we're going to begin to drive force into those tissues. Now, how are we going to do that? Now, if you think about the fact that this tissue is at length, what we need to do is shorten it, right? So the motion we would do to kind of shorten it would be more like a Muay Thai kick. So it would be trying to bring the leg up and through. And so that motion is what we're going to do into the floor. So we're going to kind of drive the knee down and forward into the floor to create that force, or to drive that force into that tissue. It's an isometric contraction. We're going to ramp that up slowly over time. And once we reach our greatest, safest effort, what we're going to do is squeeze the stuff on the back side of our hip and try to drag the knee back. And because you're on the floor, that's going to also be an isometric contraction. Okay? Give that a try. Let us know how it goes in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and please share this with a friend who might need it, especially somebody who does Muay Thai or a runner, anyone like that.
Upgrade your shit.